Solution assigning currents to all the branches, figure 2.28. Applying KVL to the closed path Oabito. 52640. 122450. 1. 123. Minus 26. Equals. 1213 I4141. I21 plus 22 I3, I. Applying KVL to the closed path BCEB. Minus plus. Plus. 2560 equals. 6250 equals. 2351. 123. I5 plus 35 plus. I22 minus 2. Applying KVL to the closed path ECDE. Minus. Minus equals. 5340 equals. 43120. 33. 1233. 33 minus plus 4 plus 4. I33 minus I3. Plus 23 II, minus 13. 3. Solving x, I, 2, and 3. I. 1. 2. 3. 2817. 6647. 0723. Equals. Minus. A. Current supplied BT battery A equals II plus 1 2 II plus 2817 6647 946.